Is your brain processing emotion and consolidating memories properly? Let's deep dive into the science of sleep and its stages. Sleep is divided into two main types: non-rapid eye movement and rapid eye movement sleep. Non-rapid eye movement sleep has three stages, from light sleep N1 to deep sleep N3. During this stage, your body repairs itself and restores energy. N1 is the lightest stage of sleep, where you drift in and out of consciousness. Your body starts to relax and your brain activity slows down. N2 is a deeper stage of sleep, where your heart rate slows down and your body temperature drops. Memory consolidation begins in this stage. N3 is the deepest stage of sleep, vital for physical and mental restoration. During N3, your body releases growth hormones and repairs tissues. Rapid eye movement sleep is the most active stage, where vivid dreams occur. Your brain processes emotions and consolidates memories during this stage. A full sleep cycle, consisting of all sleep stages, lasts about 90 to 120 minutes. You go through multiple cycles each night for optimal rest. What are your favorite tips for a good night's sleep? Share them in the comments. Follow for science-related facts and information. Like, share, and comment your views. Thank you for watching.